Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with an unboxing video for the Diana Markham Stamp Club available at Adornit. Thank you so much, Adornit, for accepting me in your ambassador. So instead of it being like a design team member, they call it ambassador, but it's the same thing. But hey, it's all good. Adornit is primarily cross-stitching and that type of thing, and they also make beautiful tier trays. Like you could have your tier tray and then you could buy sets to build up your tier tray depending on the season. They also have that, so you can shop around their website. But where I get into this now is with the Diana Markham stamps. Now, I did not know about Diana Markham until I watched Jill Norwood from Greenwood Girl Cards with Saturday Morning Makes. Now, what is so special about her stamps? She made a bunch of stamps. I think it's the late 90s or maybe even earlier than that, but the ones that are coveted, let's say late 90s into the maybe early 2000s. I'm not like a Diana Markham historian, but her wood stamps, which are red rubber stamps on a wood block. Right now, I'm going to show you a current listing. $200, $300 for one of her stamps. Yeah, if you see these stamps in a consignment store or some sort of thrift store, you pick it up immediately and it'll have her signature, Diana Markham, on it. Those stamps are worth a lot. But because a lot of us don't have $200-$300 to spend on one stamp, or $150, even that's still expensive. Adornit and Diana Markham came together and she has reproduced some of her stamps, and she's also maybe updating, revising, and adding more stamps to a collection. And the stamps is called the Recipe Club. Now, you can join the Recipe Club. You will get the stamps sent to you the quickest. If you don't join the Recipe Club and you want to purchase a la carte, then you have to wait for the stamps to appear within the shop and then go there. I am going to put direct links for Diana Markham stamp within the Adornit shop. And you can get a bunch of her coveted gingerbread stamps. She has a whole set of gingerbread stamps. And this is like a very fun vintage line. And I am so thankful that Jill Norwood, Marilyn G., those folks here on YouTube have introduced me to that side of crafting. It's just very nifty. So I signed up to be part of Adornit, and this is the goodie package that they sent me. This is a current set available now. Let me open it up. Even comes with color pencils, but I know you guys don't like to hear sound, so I'm going to cut this open. I'll be right back. Okay, crafters, so I unboxed the whole thing. What I also wanted to say, too, about the Adornit website, they also do a lot of Facebook Lives. On Tuesdays, I think is Stamp Tuesday, so you can watch them play with these examples. And sometimes they'll even make the recipe. That's why it's called the Recipe Club. A lot of Diana's stamps are recipe stamps. Some are just images, but most of them are like recipe stamps. So they make recipes and you can make them too. Let's go with what is in the set, and then I'll talk about the extras that are available at Adornit. The main star of the show, recipe stamp of the month, and this is the stamp from May, and it is available to purchase now. Great for summer crafting. This one is called Pineapple Loaf. This is a 4x6 stamp. Let me give you the measurement of the pineapple loaf. You're looking at 5 5/8 of an inch tall by 3 1/4 inch wide. You also get the wonderful recipe to make the pineapple loaf, the title of it. You get a cute little hibiscus. You can stamp a bunch of that everywhere. And pineapple. Isn't that nice? Then, along with the recipe stamp of the month, there's also an add-on. So you can purchase the add-on if you wish. The add-on for that month is the pineapple loaf add-on, which comes with this cute, adorable pineapple with sunglasses. And also this one, which is reminiscent of if this pineapple didn't have the recipe, it would look like this in the center. 2 hibiscus, so cute. And then 2 sentiments. We have stay golden, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Oh, that's sweet. I love that. So these are 2 4x6 stamp sets, okay? But it doesn't end there. She likes to add extras for us because we so appreciate it. I don't have any of her woodblock stamps. And the funny thing is, when people do find it and buy it, they don't resell it. Some do, obviously, because there are current listings, but most people keep it. Yeah, it's a collectible. But now we can all get to enjoy all of her amazing recipe stamps and that vintage goodness that you can play, explore, and have fun crafting with. One of her a la carte items is this 4x6 stamp, and it's called Tutti Frutti Punch. So you can make a Tutti Frutti Punch. You start off with 1 can of frozen lemonade mixed with water and a jug of pineapple juice. See how you can really follow this recipe. I'm telling you, that's so cute and nifty. Most of the ambassadors are making recipe books. So I think I'm going to follow suit with a recipe mini album, but I'm going to make pages. Then when I have enough pages, then I can measure it and then decide what my spine is. So then when I make the album, it doesn't look like this. It looks like, this. From me, what you're going to see are pages. You aren't going to see binders. You aren't going to see me having a book started and inserting. It's going to be backwards. It's easier for me to work it that way because then I can control the size of my album, which is going to be around an 8x10. I haven't done that in so long. You just don't know how excited I am to make a mini album by hand again. Tutti Frutti Punch. Almost, again, 5 5/8 of an inch tall. So you get a wonderful, soda glass. You get a strawberry, some cherries, straw, a little umbrella, citrus. So cute. And then you get 2 flip-flops. So these can work together. You can do this pineapple, 2 flip-flops, but these all work well together because this can come over to here, etc. Okay? And then there is always an oversized stamp set. Loads of these with the gingerbread too. So I'll put a direct link for just gingerbread because the gingerbread is super exciting, okay? This one is called Tropical Element Stamp, and this is a 6x8 stamp set. Love. And these are all high quality photopolymer stamps. You get the sunglasses, Hello Summer, with a scene in there, nice tropical scene. Perfect for any island vacation, Key West vacation, cruise vacation. Super duper cute. All of this is great for Hawaii too. From the pineapple love come forward. Then we have the flamingo. Well, that's Florida. 3.5 tall by 2 Those glasses almost like 4.25 by a little bit under 2.25. You also get a drink here, but this one just has a sentiment on the inside. Life is too short to not have an umbrella in your drink. Oh, that's so cute. You could just use this alone on a little note card. Very, very cute. I love this here. I already was stamping out a bunch of this to use to add to everything because this is a great accent to everything here. Here's a cute cupcake with a hibiscus as well. And you notice all the dots and stuff? That's to help you with the shading. Go from dark here and then come out lighter, and the dots will help to give you that look. Here's a little tree too. You could just stamp a bunch of those little trees. And summer by itself. A pair of sunglasses by itself. Super duper duper cute. So these are the offerings for May. I have not received the June offerings yet, but as soon as I get it, I'll do a review video for you. Also, Diane has some pattern paper. There you have the glasses, the tree, the sandal. Again, here, the summer. Up here, we have the elements from this large stamp set. Isn't that awesome? And then very, very cute, fun colors, but not super, super bright. Sand in the back, and you get 8 sheets, 2 of each, okay? This is standard 8.5 by 11 inch. This is super cute. So you could do like a 6x6 mini album or scrapbook something with this. Look at this awesome green pattern on the back. Love. And then here is one. Look at that going together with the flamingo, the hibiscus, the pineapple with the glasses. Look at that back. Pink on pink. So super love. That's like flamingo pink. There is this. It's not lime green. It's more like a yellow green with the sandals. And on the back, we have blue with kind of like a curved scallop look. So there is a paper pack, and you can add the paper pack to your recipe stamp. If you want to just have everything sent to you as it release, then you would do the recipe club. These items, though, you would add on later when it becomes available in the shop, but you would at least get these as soon as it's ready, sent to you to play with, okay? So you could definitely use these larger ones. Mini album, accents in a mini album. You could use these in your scrapbook and you just cut it out. They're not coordinating dies, so you're going to have to fussy cut this one, or if you have a brother scan and cut, go with that option for these stamps. But they're not like super terrible to cut. Love, 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 love. So glad I joined the ambassador team. Yay! There are some other things that were sent to me from Adornit as well. Here are the goodies that they also sent me. So there is the Adornit water brush markers. You get a flat, a medium, and a small. So the small would be like the fine tip, okay? So that's cool. That works with this. They also have the watercolor 24 color compact paint set. Let's take a look. Oh, wait a second, guys. Oh, look. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you can travel with this. Oh, isn't that nifty? So these are all the colors for the watercolor set. So that's cool. Works with that. Just add water. And then there's the India ink, a non-smearing, quick drying, black dye ink pad, perfect for use with markers and watercolor. Oh, I did not know that. You know, I remember seeing this when I first started crafting in the craft store, the India ink, but I never bought it because it was always in the craft store next to calligraphy. I saw it, but I was like, I don't know what that is. But now that I'm reading it, I'm like, oh, I can use it with markers and watercolor. That's cool. And there's their name, Adornit. And you can check out all their Facebook lives too when they show stamps. They'll show you what's coming too with Diana Markham. Or if you're interested in cross stitch, definitely check them out. And their tier trays. Watercolor pencils. Oh, and look at all these colors. It's like a beautiful rainbow. So I just did a count. This is 36 watercolor pencils. Oh, high quality pigment, easily blends with water. So you can use this with it. You can also just use a brush, use with Adornit coloring books. So they have coloring books too. And they also have other stamp illustrators, but Diana Markham is, as you can see, hers is the Ferrari of stamps. Yeah. So if you're like, what is Suzanne talking about? Just take a look on eBay and you'll be like, oh, these are highly coveted stamps, especially when they are on wood, but we get to have the fun. Now I'm going to show you some others that I have been collecting steadily on my own. Here are some notable sets I've bought. See the gingerbread? Love. She has one in a wood stamp. I think it doesn't have the berries on it, with the gingerbread in a bowl. $200-300 for that, okay? If you get it in the wood stamp. This stamps out fabulously too, so don't think that, oh no, I must have the wood. You can definitely work with these clear photopolymer stamps. Photopolymer, best quality of clear stamps, okay? And these are just so adorable. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, love, love, love. And if you want to see many more examples, check out Jill Norwood on YouTube here. This one here with the apron. Is this cute? The rolling pin. Yeah, I bought all of these myself. There is, let's see, another favorite of mine. Honey bun cake. Mom's apple pie. Look at that one. And you can make that recipe. All of these recipes you can make as long as it has a recipe in it. And then you get the extras. You can make your own recipe album. There's some add-ons. Do you have to buy everything? No, you can just buy the add-ons if you want. Love this jar. Look at that jar. And the homemade with love from. And then you can use that on a tag. Isn't that sweet? Look at this one. You got the apple harvest with the apple recipes. That's a great title. Yes, I haven't used it. I know, time, but I'm going to be using it now. This is the one that I've seen in a stamp, woodblock stamp with them in the bowl. This one, super high, like $350, $400. Yes. Think I'm joking? Go look on eBay, and people actually buy it because they move. I do, look on eBay from time to time. So that one is up there. This is another coveted stamp, and now I have it in photopolymer. Yay! This is another coveted stamp. This is the Easter stamp with the bunny. So she reproduced what she has done. Isn't that fabulous that you can now have the chance to get it with a much lower price point? And this one I have too. I don't have everything, but I have a lot, as you can see. And there is one I'm just dying for them to restock. It's the pumpkin bars. It's like a big pumpkin, and it's for Halloween. Oh, that's on my Adornit wish list. Alrighty, crafters, definitely take a look at Adornit. Like I said, I'm going to put a direct link for Diana Markham stamps within the Adornit store. I will also put a link for this latest release with the summer fun. Why not? Give it a chance. Even if you start off with one set, You may just be madly in love. Go look on eBay, type in the name Diana Markham stamps. You'll see, oh, Suzanne wasn't lying. No, I'm not. I'm telling you. These are the Lamborghini of stamps. And also, I will put another general link just for the Adornit store so you can check out their cross stitch or tier tray if you're interested in all of those goodies to add to your home decor needs. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Thanks, Adornit, for inviting me to be part of the ambassador team. I am just eager to play. Alrighty, crafters, bye.